Welcome back to the Pizza Artist, everybody. On today's video, we have a request from Mrs. Pizza Artist. That's right. Teresa wants us to make pepperoni pizza pretzels. And that's what we're gonna make for her today on the Pizza Artist. Okay, so what you need for these pepperoni pizza pretzels, we got dough, 1, 2, Galbani Pizza Mozzarella Deluxe. This is special occasion. And, of course, pepperoni. So I'm gonna cut them in strips, like I do when I make any other pretzels at work. I don't know how big I'm gonna make it. Like maybe 3, this one here, and this one maybe in 4. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna cut in strips, fill it with cheese. I wanna put pepperoni inside as well. I'm gonna roll them up, twist it, and then I'm gonna put some pepperoni on top, and cheese, and bake it. All right, I cut my strips, this one in 3. Hopefully it comes out, it should be okay. And this one in 4. We're gonna put the cheese inside of it. I think all these ones I made a little bit too small. Teresa's like, are you gonna make them big or what? So there's cheese. I wish I made it a little bit thicker. All right, so the cheese, I wrapped it in there. I put the cheese in the first one. I'm just gonna make it into a pretzel. There we go, like that. My idea was I was gonna put sauce on top and then put the pepperoni on it. Maybe some I'll just leave like that, and some I'll just do it like this. And then you can wrap it. You can dip it in the sauce afterwards. Okay, we'll do it like that. There. Oh. Okay, there's the first one. Okay, I definitely should have made them a little, these are coming out a little bit smaller than I wanted, but it's okay. They're still gonna be nice. This is our second one. I stuffed the cheese in it. Then it's very simple. Just fold it, 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 right? Fold it, and then roll it, roll it, roll it. Some of it's coming out, it's okay. And you got it, like that, flip, flip, done. Put the pepperoni. Put it on I used parchment paper, by the way. I changed the pan. Okay, so there's the first 3. I'm gonna put it in the oven. I think I put the oven like at 425, or I should put like at 500 or something. Well, we'll do this one at 420. No, actually, I'm gonna put it up. I'll put it up. 450. We'll see what happens. So for this one, I'm gonna put the pepperoni on the inside, and then put some cheese, and then I'm gonna cover with some sauce and more cheese, and we'll see how it comes out. Maybe I can't even close these ones. We'll see. Anyway, we're gonna give it a shot. And of course, you could put as much cheese or as little cheese as you want. You're making it yourself, you know what I mean? Oh, this one rolled up pretty good. All right. They're not the perfect pretzel, but they're going to be tasty pretzels. That's better. It's a big pizza pretzel. Huh? There you go. This one I'm going to put sauce on it, and then I'm going to put some cheese. All right. That looks good. All right, so we got our pretzels. Hello, pretzels. We're gonna put some sauce, some cheese, some sauce on it. I made the sauce. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of this and that, and we're gonna put some sauce. Make a big fucking mess. Look at it. It's all right. It's gonna be delicious. Trust me, it's gonna be delicious. There's no mix-up. Sauce can't fix up. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh. Okay, sauce. You got that? Look at that. Beautiful. Cheese. And some more pepperoni on top. Come on, pepperoni. Look, beautiful. All right. I hope it comes out good. There you are. I'm gonna put it in the oven. So there's the pizza pretzels just with the cheese and the pepperoni on top. And there's the one with the sauce and cheese on top. They both look delicious. What do you think, Luca? If you had to pick one, which one would you pick?
Left.
This one?
Yeah.
Why? So this one here, you're gonna have to dip it like in a sauce. If you guys have like a marinara sauce or your garlic sauce, whatever it is. And this one here already has sauce on it, so like really, it's ready to go, like a pizza. You know what I mean? Anyway, they both look delicious. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try that one there because I'm gonna save that one for Teresa. And we're gonna see how super delicious it is. I'm gonna put hot sauce on it right there. Okay. Jack Jekyll. We're gonna eat it, and it's gonna be super delicious. It is pretty good. It smells pretty good. Ooh. There it is, right there. You like it, Luca? Looks pretty good, eh? I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it. This is Jack Jekyll. Really? What are you laughing about? Holy shit.
He's doing some ASMR. Do it.
Now I'm gonna bite it. Wow. Wow. Your mother gave me this idea. She wanted me to make it for her. It was a good idea.
How was it on a scale of 1 to 10?
11. Hey, Ryan, can you? This thing here is so good. Wow. All right. I'm gonna keep eating this. Look at it. It's so good. Hopefully you make your own at home. Very easy and simple to make. It came out better than I thought it would come out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. That way I can grow this channel. Just last couple weeks ago, we were at 800 subscribers. What are we at now? Check out right there or here, right there. How many?
5.
No, like 840 or 850. I don't know. We're at 830. Not bad. Help us get to 1,000. Thanks for watching, everybody. Ooh, pizza pretzels. Ciao, brio. Oh, Ava, you want to try some?
Yeah,
You want to try the one with the sauce?
sure. Oh.
Bye, everyone.